Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study in college exams. Starting early is key to success. Begin by creating a detailed study schedule at least 2 weeks before your exams. This helps you allocate sufficient time for each subject. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable study sessions, perhaps focusing on 1 or 2 chapters per hour. Also, gather all your necessary materials, including notes, textbooks, and any past exams, to ensure you have everything ready. Once you've organized your materials, it's time to engage actively with the content. Don't just passively read. Instead, actively recall information without looking at your notes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, to solidify your understanding. This method helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Additionally, practice regularly with sample questions and previous exam papers to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions you might encounter. Your study environment significantly impacts your effectiveness. Find a quiet, distraction-free area where you can concentrate fully. Ensure you have good lighting and a comfortable chair to maintain focus for extended periods. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. This approach helps you absorb information more efficiently and sustain your energy throughout your study sessions. Finally, mastering exam day itself is crucial. Prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs better. On the day, eat a balanced meal and stay well hydrated to maintain energy and focus. Arrive early at the exam venue, take a few minutes to review key points, and during the exam, manage your time wisely to answer all questions thoroughly. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.